Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share a song on Spotify to your Instagram story. So click on, for instance, the song you want to share. Maybe this one. Click on the three dots next to it and press share. Then press Instagram and it'll take you to Instagram. And then you can sort of adjust it here and then press your story. It is that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer all of them. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!